What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am coming to you with a review, but first let me just say I'm not going to be talking too loud because my daughter is asleep over there and I don't want to wake her up. We don't want to do that.
Gotta lose your mind just to find your peace of mind. You have gotta trust the signs, everything will turn out fine. So
I'm a little skeptical and a little scared about this ring light because $50, usually these things are expensive and $50 isn't too bad. I'm going to it to see how much it was. So it's $59, $59.99. It doesn't have that many reviews, so I really took a big risk on this, and I'm gonna put the link down below if this is a good review. A mirror over here. So this is the ring light, you guys. It's called, I don't even know how to pronounce this. It's IUNUSI. Okay, so it says an 18-inch selfie ring light with a tripod stand. It has 3 different color modes, 10 adjustable brightnesses, 360-degree adjustability, and convenient to carry. Right now, this is how my lighting looks with my Softbox lights that I got from Amazon as well. I'm gonna put the link below for these, so in case you guys like this lighting setup, you can use these. But I just feel like a ring light would be, I don't know, I don't really like these big ring lights in the way. I like this for when I do photo shoots and stuff, but when I'm just doing like a sit down video, sometimes I just want a ring light. I feel like it'll take up less space. So this must be the stand. It has 2 different boxes in here. I'm guessing this is the stand. Yeah. So yeah, this is our stand for our ring lights. Let us not make a mess in here. I do not feel like cleaning up again. Okay, so you can, I guess, use these to make it to whatever size you need it to be. And let's see, how does this work? Some way you have to unlock it with it like this. There we go. Okay, so y'all see that? It comes locked. So all you gotta do to unloosen it is twist this and it'll go upwards, like that, so that it can stand. And then you just tighten it back up. I don't need it, but it has 4 different adjustments, so this thing can go up really high. But I just need the first one because we ain't doing all the extra stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna take the second box out. This is a light ring light, not that much. Okay. So this is our ring light case, which I didn't know it came with the case. I didn't pay attention to what I was reading. Okay, you can activate your warranty online and get a gift. Anyways, this has to be the lightest ring light I've ever felt in my life. So here's our ring lights. I'm gonna go ahead and screw it on. Let me screw it over so y'all can see. How do we screw it on? Okay, pull that down. I don't think that's how that goes. There is a remote control in here, which I gotta get batteries for. I didn't know that. Here's the plug for the ring light and the 2 phone holders that comes with it. Okay, I don't want to put this on wrong, but I'm guessing that's how you do it. Here's another remote for the camera. So I'm guessing that is how you put it on there. Let me read directions, y'all. I have this thing where I don't read directions. I don't know what's wrong with me. Okay, y'all, give me a minute. I need to figure out what the hell is going on. Let me bring this down some. Okay, there wasn't anything missing. I honestly just didn't know what I was doing. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and first all I did was just put this on, and I'm just gonna go ahead and screw it in. I don't know why I'm telling y'all this, like y'all don't know how to read directions, but yeah. So it's in, and we're gonna go ahead and screw in. I really don't need one of these. I'll go ahead and put the other one in, but I don't really need it. I like mine to be in the middle. Okay. And I'm just gonna use my phone as reference since I am recording on my camera. Okay. And it also has a USB plug in the back for your phone, so I guess you can charge your phone while you're using this, so that's a plus. Like, that's really good. Yeah, you can charge your phone while using your ring light. And I turn on my camera, the camera thing, so I'm gonna go ahead and connect that to my phone. Okay, let's see if that works. I just want to see before we go ahead to the ring light. Oh, okay, it worked. Definitely took a picture. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead. It has a switch on here where you can turn it on and off, so definitely keep that off until I'm using it. Yeah, I need to put some batteries in here. Let me see what batteries I got. Let's turn it on, you guys, and see what happens. Oh, I need the batteries. I need the batteries. I was thinking, oh, that's crazy. This better work. Y'all, okay. So you see how it has on and off right here? These are not buttons. This better be real. What if they sent me a fake ring light? Okay, hold on. I'm gonna go get some batteries for this. Y'all got a feeling this is fake.
This is fake as fuck.
Oh. I lied. It's not fake. Okay, y'all, so here's the ring light. Okay, so this is the first setting. That's the first setting. That's the second setting. And then this is the third. So I'm going to turn off my two softbox lights, and we're going to see. So that's bright as okay, so that's how it looks from over there. I still think these are brighter, but if I was doing an up close, this would probably look really good. Hold on. Kind of like the touch better. So I think it's at its brightest. And this is it lower. That's pretty good. Okay, so this is the second color, which is like a, I don't even know, a yellow light. And this is the third one, which I don't know the name. Okay, so you have cool light, night light, natural light, and warm light. You got white light, warm light, natural light, and night light. So those are your 4 settings. And of course, I think I want to use white light. So let me bring y'all closer. I thought I would be able to take off the phone mount, but you can't. So what we're gonna do is record with our phone just to see how it looks. This is so cute. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. This looks really good, y'all. If y'all can see me. My elbow would break out, so I don't mind that. But yes, this looks so good. I try to stay in the middle of this because I know my pictures are crooked, so yeah. This looks really good though, especially for pictures. I love it. Y'all, I'll be trying to fix my there. Hopefully it's locked, but it's up to y'all if y'all like it or not. I love it. For $50, this is really good. I think the lighting is perfect. And of course, I can always add my softbox lights, which I'm gonna do right now. Let's see how that goes. So I'm gonna change the lighting first so y'all can see. But I definitely like white light better. What is B plus B minus and K plus K minus? Oh, okay, so K minus and K plus is for color temperature brightness, and for B plus and B minus is for light brightness. I don't know if it's getting brighter or not. Let's see. So that brightness is definitely okay. And K minus. Let's see what K minus. Okay, so I can just change it like that. I like that. That's nice. Okay, I'm finna turn on my softbox lights and see. That's with one softbox light and one ring light. And the ring light. And that is with both lights and the ring light. Okay. And let me test out the USB port in the back and see if it actually charges. Okay, so the USB port does not fit, and I don't know why, but it definitely does not fit. And I'm honestly not trying to mess up my charger, so. But I don't know, maybe it'll work for somebody else, but it's not working for me. Okay, anyways, guys, thank you for watching this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you guys liked this video. I hope I was very informative, and I don't know, I think it's a really good ring light. I would definitely buy one. If you don't feel like taking your chances on it, don't, of course. But it actually works. It's really good. The quality of it is okay. It's not perfect, but I feel like it's decent quality for what I paid for. It doesn't feel like it's gonna fall apart at any moment. This is definitely plastic, so it's not going to shatter like glass would. Other than that, it's really nice. I like it. It was $59.99, I think, so like $60 and some change for tax. And yeah, so I will put the link down below. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and y'all have a good day.